How to unbox the machine. And after you unbox the machine, firstly, please check whether you receive all the accessories. The flat table, the standard table, 2 size t-shirt frames, 1 piece biggest size t-shirt frame, tall box, cap station, cap hook, flat frame, t-shirt frame supporter, standard. Check whether you get all the accessories. And after check all the accessories, we took out the screws from the top box. We get the screws out from the top box and also this plastic base. And then we remove all the plastic on the standard and take the parts out. After we get everything ready, we assemble the standard together first. We get the tool from the tool box. We fix the screw, but not too tight. This side the same. Fix it, but not tight it. The front one first, and then assemble the back one. And then 2 pieces supporter below. Put all screws on it, but not tight it. Four screws. Fix it this way. Fix all these 4 screws first. And then we tighten all the screws. And then we put the standard table on it. Find the long screws in the top box. And then we put the base on the table. Fix it. And then we assemble the standard wheel. After we assemble the standard wheel, we take the machine off from the wooden plate. Firstly, we need to remove the wooden part which fix the machine fit. Remove all 4 pieces. And then we lift up the machine and put the machine on the stander. And now the machine is well assembled.